Have you ever wondered how to fully utilize your select statements in SQL? That's a question that's likely crossed your mind if you've dabbled in the realm of databases. Today, we're going to tackle this question head-on by delving into the world of SQL joins. In the simplest terms, SQL joins are the glue that binds tables together in a database. They are the essential tools that allow us to extract, manipulate, and analyze data across multiple tables, making them indispensable for anyone working with databases, from data analysts to software developers. SQL joins are like the secret ingredient in a recipe, transforming basic select statements into powerful queries that can unlock a treasure trove of insights. They are the bridges that connect different pieces of data, enabling us to create a complete picture from disparate tables. Now, there are three primary types of SQL joins that you need to know: inner joins, outer joins, and cross joins. Each of these joins serves a unique purpose and can be used in different scenarios to extract the exact data you need. The inner join is the workhorse of SQL joins, focusing on the intersection between two tables. It's the join you reach for when you want to combine data from different tables based on a shared key. On the other hand, the outer join is like your trusty sidekick, ensuring that you don't miss out on any crucial information by including unmatched rows from one table while still displaying the matching rows. And finally, we have the cross join, the wild card of SQL joins. This join is used to combine every row of one table with every row of another table, resulting in a Cartesian product of all possible combinations of rows. As we dive into the specifics, we'll start with the inner join. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of SQL joins. First on our list is the inner join. This type of SQL join is a bit like a Venn diagram, focusing on the intersection of two tables. It's all about matching values in both tables' specified columns. It's the Sherlock Holmes of SQL joins, uncovering the shared secrets hidden within your database. The inner join is a powerful tool in your SQL arsenal. It allows you to combine data from different tables based on a shared key. Let's say we have two tables, one for customers and another for orders. If we want to establish a connection between these two tables to retrieve a list of customers along with their respective orders, inner join is the way to go. The result? A new table that includes every row in the customers table, for which there is a matching row in the orders table. It's a bit like a puzzle, fitting pieces together based on common characteristics. The benefit of the inner join is that it only includes rows where the join condition is true. This means that we'll only get the data where there's a match in both tables, keeping our results clean and concise. There are a few variations of inner join, such as equi-join and natural join, each with its nuances. But don't worry, we'll dive into those in future videos. The inner join is a versatile and efficient way to extract interconnected information from your database. Whether you're looking to analyze customer behavior, track sales performance, or manage employee records, the inner join is your go-to SQL join. However, not all data is perfectly interconnected. Sometimes you might need to combine tables where there's no matching value in both tables. It's like trying to find a common language between two people who speak different languages. Sounds like a challenge, right? Well, that's where our next join comes in. The outer join is a master of handling unmatched data, ensuring that no crucial information gets left behind. But we'll get into that in our next scene. With inner join, you can combine data from different tables based on a shared key. But what if there's no matching value in both tables? That's where our next join comes in. Next up, we have the outer join. Now, this is where things really start to get interesting. The outer join is like the inclusive friend of SQL joins. It doesn't leave anyone out. Unlike the inner join, which only focuses on the intersection between two tables, the outer join takes it a step further by including unmatched rows from one table or even both, while still displaying the matching rows. You might be wondering, why would we need this? Well, consider this. You have two tables, one of customers and another of orders. Not all customers have placed an order, but you still want to include those customers in your results. This is where the outer join shines. There are three types of outer joins: left, right, and full. The left outer join returns all the rows from the left table and the matched rows from the right table. If there's no match, the result is null on the right side. The right outer join, on the other hand, returns all the rows from the right table, and the matched rows from the left table. And if there's no match, the result is null on the left side. Lastly, the full outer join. It's like the ultimate peacekeeper. It returns all rows when there is a match in either left or right table. If there's no match, the result is null on either side. These kinds of joins give you the flexibility to explore relationships between tables, even when some data may not have a counterpart in the other table. It's like having a secret weapon in your data analysis arsenal, helping you uncover hidden connections within your data that you might otherwise miss. Outer join ensures that you don't miss out on any critical information. It's like a detective, tirelessly sifting through every piece of evidence, no matter how seemingly insignificant. But what if you want to combine every row of one table with every row of another? Enter the cross join. Last, but certainly not least, we have the cross join. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast universe where every single star represents a row from one table and every galaxy a row from another. With a cross join, you're creating a new universe where every star is linked to every galaxy, creating an enormous grid of data. In the realm of SQL, a cross join does just that. It combines every row from the first table with every row from the second table, resulting in a Cartesian product. There's no need for a common column or a shared key between the two tables, as a cross join doesn't rely on matching values. It's like a grand mixer party where every row from one table gets to meet and mingle with every row from the other table. Now you might be wondering, when would I ever need to use a cross join? Well, let's say you're working on a project where you need to generate test data. Or perhaps you have two lists of variables and you want to find out all possible combinations between them. In these cases, a cross join would be your best friend. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. A cross join can quickly generate a massive amount of data. For instance, if you cross join two tables, one with 1,000 rows and the other with 100 rows, you'll end up with a whopping 100,000 rows. So make sure to use it wisely and only when necessary. Despite its potential to create vast outputs, a cross join is a powerful tool in your SQL toolkit. It's like a secret weapon that's waiting to be unleashed when the right situation arises. With cross join, you can generate all possible combinations of rows, perfect for generating test data or performing complex calculations. So the next time you're confronted with a tricky data problem, remember the cross join. It might just be the game changer you need to crack the code. Now that you know the basics of these three vital SQL joins, it's time to put your newfound knowledge into practice. Let's do a quick recap. We've explored the inner join, the bridge that connects matching values in two tables. It's like the perfect matchmaker, bringing together data based on a shared key. Then we ventured into the realm of the outer join. This join, in its different forms, ensures we leave no stone unturned. It's the detective of joins, uncovering hidden connections and including unmatched rows from one table, while also showcasing the matches. Finally, we crossed paths with the cross join. This join is the king of combinations, creating a Cartesian product by pairing every row of one table with every row of another. It may sound intimidating, but it can be a game changer when you need to generate test data or perform complex calculations. Each of these joins has its unique strengths, and knowing when to use which one is the secret to mastering SQL. They are the tools that transform your database into a treasure trove of insights waiting to be discovered. But our journey doesn't end here. In fact, it's just beginning. In the next part of our video series, we'll delve deeper into the real-world applications of these joins. We'll roll up our sleeves and get hands-on with SQL queries, demonstrating step-by-step how to execute various joins. We'll explore complex scenarios, challenge assumptions, and uncover new ways to extract value from your data. And through it all, we'll strengthen your understanding of SQL joins, taking your data analysis skills to the next level. So don't miss out. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and join us on this incredible journey to mastering SQL joins. Remember, SQL joins are the key to unleashing the full potential of your database management skills. Until next time, happy querying.